Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to print the alphabet O using Python. Open any text editor. In this video, I will use IDLE text editor. So first create new files. Create two variables m and n. Then create two for loops. First for loop create row of to n and second for loop create columns of to m. Then write if conditions. So first if conditions print columns first and last column. So first column print it at a 0 position and second column print at a m minus 1 position. And apply condition more, row not equals to 0 and row not equals to n minus 1. Then print asterisk. So now next is a write elif condition. So this elif condition print row, first row and second row. So first condition print first row and second condition is print second row. So starting first row, row equals to 0 or second row is start row equals to n minus 1. So column is not equals to 0 and columns not equals to m minus 1. Then print star. Then last print else condition. So this else condition print remaining areas space. Make a space. In second for loop, print /n for make a next line. So now run the code. Click F5. So first save the file .py. So O is printed. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more coding tutorials. Thanks for watching.
Teach me, 'cause I know I ain't getting anywhere.